everyone! Welcome back to Bryan Xplores. Today, since it was getting close to my birthday, I wanted to talk about a place where I was born and I love. You know where that place is? Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is also known as La Isla del Encanto or the Enchanted Island. We're gonna have videos of different places that I have visited from Puerto Rico, filmed by my dad's drone. The first place on Puerto Rico I wanted to show you is Ponce. That was the place where I was born. Ponce is commonly known by several names. La Perla del Sur, or the Pearl of the South. La Ciudad de los Leones, or the City of the Lions. Ciudad Señorial, or the Majestic City. The second place I wanted to show you on Puerto Rico is La Palguera. La Palgueras is a place that belongs to the city Lajas of Puerto Rico. La Palgueras is located in the southwest of the island. La Palguera is named after a fish called palgo or red snapper, which lives there.
Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de toda parte de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
The next place I want to show you on the island is a city called Cabo Rojo. It's located in the southwest corner of Puerto Rico. Cabo Rojo is surrounded by miles and miles and miles of beautiful beaches. The next place I want to talk about is Mayagüez. Mayagüez is located on the west part of Puerto Rico. It is also known as La Sultana del Oeste or the Sultan of the West. The last place we're gonna talk about on the island Puerto Rico is the capital, and it is called San Juan. It is also known as La Ciudad Amurallada or the Wall City. And this is how we celebrate New Year's and Christmas in Puerto Rico. I hope you like the videos, and this is only a little bit of Puerto Rico that has offered us. There's so much about Puerto Rico's forests, beautiful beaches, and more. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like. See you soon!